How to place your first Instacart grocery order for beginners. If you are placing your first order on Instacart, there are a couple of things that we must understand. The first thing we're going to do is to launch the Instacart application, assuming you already have an account and that you are logged into your account. You can search for a specific product that you're looking for or a certain store that is near to you, or you can just go to some of the recommended ones over here. So let's say I want to look for groceries. I'll simply go to the grocery icons. Here I can see a couple of stores that are near me, so I can select a certain store of my choice, let's say if I want to. Now from here I can add the items, so I can go within that item and view all the details of that item. I can customize the order as per my need as to how much sugar I want, how much fat I want, how many kilos I want, or whatever else. And you can tap the plus button to add to cart. You can tap the plus button again to add 2 or more items like this, and just like that you can add a couple of more items to your list. Once you've basically added more items, you will get a certain amount of discounts as well, because the more the merrier, right? After that you can tap on this cart icon from the bottom to proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, for once again you can review the quantity and the amount that you'd like to buy, see the price of those items. If you want to make this order a gift, you can simply turn this on. If you want to add some instructions to the seller of this product, you can tap on add instructions to be able to add a custom instruction. This is visible by both the delivery rider as well as also the seller. After you've done that, you can scroll down and go to the checkout button after confirming, where we have to enter our delivery addresses and our phone number and payment method. So I'll simply select a country and I can simply go ahead and then choose to add in a certain location here. Once I've done that, I can add my floor name, all the things, tap on the save address button, it will save the address for me, and after that you'll be able to enter your payment method and check out. This way you can place your first Instacart grocery order. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video.